Are you looking for some good background information about a current topic? CQ Researcher Online may be just what you need. CQ stands for Congressional Quarterly. This doesn't mean these reports are written by Congress. It means these reports are written for Congress. If you think about the people who are in Congress, they are making very important decisions about topics that they're not necessarily experts about. So they need to know background about the topic, what different people's opinions are about the topic, what the laws are, what the proposed laws are and what their impact will be, and the outlook for the future. These reports are written by professional journalists who carefully check and document their facts and present the information from an unbiased point of view. This is often the very kind of information that you need. So CQ is easy to understand background information about current topics presented from a balanced point of view. To get to CQ and Galileo, click on Databases A through Z. Click on C and then scroll down to CQ Researcher Online. Here we are on the CQ homepage. If you are looking for a research topic, check these out. Browse by topics, the most popular topics, and the most recent reports from CQ. If you already have a topic in mind, use the search box. You can also use the advanced search to narrow by date and to gain more control over your search. I'm going to type my search terms in the basic search box. This looks for the words you enter within the text of articles, so if you don't get the results you want, try to think of related words that will get you the information you need. Here are my results. They're in order by relevance, but you can change the sort by date if you want to. As you examine your results, the article title will be the major topic of the article. Then there will be a few words containing your search terms in the context of a sentence. Also, pay careful attention to the date because you may decide that some of these articles are too old to provide accurate information. Clicking on the article title will take you to an HTML web version of the article, or you may opt to see the PDF or print version. They contain the same information. I'm going to pick this one. Here's the article. All articles in CQ follow exactly the same format. Only the topic varies. Up at the top of the page, you can find a link to the PDF version, options to email or print, the full article or parts of the article, and a link to get the citation for the article formatted in various styles. These are the various sections. They start with an introduction and overview, some background information, and a description of the current situation. These sections usually contain some useful statistics, including opinion polls or facts about the United States. One of my favorite sections is Pro and Con. There will be a question that is relevant to the topic. In this example, it's Are new laws needed to prevent organizations from collecting online personal data? Two experts discuss the topic. One says yes to the question, the other says no. This is a good example of an argumentative essay. Also, if you're writing a persuasive speech or essay, it's a good idea to anticipate the arguments on both sides. Short features are short articles on more specific but relevant topics, like Big Data allows us to ask questions that were not possible before, and From Yottabytes to Googleplexes, Big Data Explained. In the bibliography, you will find some great additional sources on topic. Most of these have an annotation, so you can tell a little bit more about the book, article, or website. Many of them have links that will take you right to the article. For others, you might want to look elsewhere in Galileo or the library catalog for a copy. And of course, you can always ask a librarian for help. And that's what you need to know about CQ Researcher Online.